Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to recover your Solflare wallet. To recover your Solflare wallet, you will need your seed phrases, the one that you saved when you created the wallet. Launch open your Solflare application and make sure that you're inside this welcome screen. Now tap on the Restore Wallet button and then enter your recovery phrases, that is 12 or 24 words long, and write it down in the correct order in the text box. After you write it down, tap on the confirm button at the bottom. Now, enter your new passcode for your wallet and confirm it by re-entering it again. Enable biometrics if you want, so that you can unlock the app quickly and securely using facial recognition or your fingerprint. Tap the Enable button to turn on biometrics to secure your account. Right after you do that, if you want to enable notifications, you can tap on the Enable Notification button, or if you don't want to do that right now, tap on Not Now. Right after you do that, you will be able to recover your Solflare wallet. Your assets should appear within the Solflare app once it is done. So that's how you easily recover your Solflare wallet with the help of the seed phrases that you previously backed up. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.